Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Now just make sure that your content is visible on the screen. So home screen, obviously visible. Anyway, from there, once your content is ready, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up with scroll and send options, and after a moment it disappears. Now the scroll option is accessible when you have scrollable content, like for instance settings. So I'm going to demonstrate it right here. Oops. I can tap on the scroll option, and as you can see, it begins scrolling on its own. You can tap on the screen to stop it. You can just grab it yourself, scroll it down, click done, then click on the check mark. Get saved. Now once the screenshots get saved, you can find it in your gallery application. So I'm gonna navigate to where you would normally be, which is the Photos tab, and here obviously you'll see the screenshots at the very top if you have just captured them. But if you're coming back to them later on down the line, weeks, months later, you will probably have a better chance of finding them by navigating into albums, screenshots and screen recordings, and then just make sure that you have screenshots selected, and here you'll find all the screenshots that you have captured over time. So there we go. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.